You've just received the repair bill for your laboratory's mass spectrometer, and it's the equivalent of a small fortune. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 4 witty yet practical ways to capitate repair costs for medical and laboratory equipment. Grab your lab coats and let's dive in. Number 1. Warranty, please. Always consider extended warranties for your most expensive equipment. A few extra dollars now could save you thousands in repair costs later. Number 2. Build a network. Join local and national organizations to stay informed on industry trends, regulatory changes, and cost-saving strategies. Plus, you might just make some new friends. Number 3. Be a savvy shopper. When it's time for a new piece of equipment, consider buying used or refurbished. Many reputable suppliers offer quality products at a fraction of the cost of new. Number 4. Negotiate like a pro. Don't be afraid to negotiate with suppliers for better pricing on repairs, maintenance, or even new equipment. After all, it's just good business. So there you have it. With these 4 witty tips, you'll be well on your way to capitating those pesky repair costs for medical and laboratory equipment. Say goodbye to outrageous repair bills and hello to a more cost-effective lab.